Here's a Casablanca Brescia ceiling fan in bronze finish. I picked this fan up a couple months ago off of, I think it was Facebook Marketplace, for literally peanuts. It was really cheap. It came 100% complete. I do have the canopy, but once again, I'm not using it for the video. This fan is in pretty decent shape. The only issues it has is the fan was put on the floor, so the switch cap has a lot of scratches on it. But that's the only, I can't talk today. That's the only issue it has. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this fan's from 2006 or 2007. I'm not entirely sure. But yeah, so I'll start it up for you. Slow speed. The house I got it out of actually had, I think, 4 more of these. I think there were a couple in white and there were a couple in the same finish, but they had different blades. But yeah, happy I got this one though. It's a really cool looking fan. This might end up going in the living room in the house, but I'm not too sure if I'm ready to replace that Hunter up there yet. So, but that's a different story for a different time. That's a fairly nice low speed. Hook it up to medium. Feeling a lot of air from it all the way over here, so no complaints with this. And I'll finally turn it on high. I'll bring it up close to it. Has a little startup noise too, and it is going to wobble just a little bit. It's really moving a lot of air. There's the scratches. I tried to film them on Sharpie, but see that tree is getting blown away over there. There's that. I'm pretty sure these are cherry blades, if I'm not mistaken. Pretty sure. And I'm not sure where the tag is. It's up there somewhere. Right there. There's the XLP motor in it. And yeah, pretty cool looking fan. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.